So, you're considering Paavai Engineering College for your 2026 admission? You've come to the right place. We're about to break down everything you and your parents need to know about TNEA Code 2611, from what makes it unique, all the way to the kind of salary you can expect after you graduate. Let's get right into it.
Right off the bat, let's talk about something that makes Paavai really stand out. It is home to an official ISRO Radiosonde balloon launching station. Now, this isn't just some cool trivia. It shows a serious connection to national-level scientific research. It means students get a front-row seat to see real-world atmospheric science in action. Here's how we're going to walk through everything. We'll start with a first look at the college's identity, then get into its quality and recognition. After that, we'll explore all your engineering options. Then, of course, we'll dive into the crucial placement numbers, and finally, we'll give you a sense of what life on campus is really like.
Okay, first things first, let's get a clear picture of what this college is all about, its background and its core identity.
So the full name is Paavai Engineering College, and it's an autonomous institution. Now that's a big deal. It means they have the freedom to update their syllabus to keep up with what the industry actually needs. It was founded back in 2001. It's a private self-financing college, and it's affiliated to Anna University, Chennai. And the magic number you'll need for TNEA counseling is 2611. The college is run by the Paavai Engineering Educational Trust. This trust has been guiding the institution for more than 20 years now. You know, having that kind of stable leadership is a really good sign for consistent quality and a reliable education.
All right, let's talk about quality. For both students and parents, this is huge. Official accreditations tell you a lot about an institution. So, what's the story with Paavai?
First up, NAAC. Paavai Engineering College has earned a strong A grade. And here's the key thing. This isn't some old expired rating. It's current and valid all the way through March 2027. That gives you peace of mind for your entire 4 years of study.
Now, for those of you interested in the core branches, this is really important. The BE program in Electrical and Electronics Engineering is accredited by the NBA, the National Board of Accreditation, and it's a fresh accreditation valid from 2026 all the way to 2028. An NBA tag is a real mark of high-quality education.
But it doesn't stop there. The college has some other solid recognitions. It's ranked by the government's NIRF Framework for Innovation. It's achieved platinum status from the AICTE CII survey, which specifically measures how well a college connects with industries. Plus, it's been recognized by well-known names like India Today and News 18 Tamil Nadu.
All right, let's get to the part you've probably been waiting for. What can you actually study here? Let's take a look at the BE and B.Tech programs on offer.
You've got a really wide range of choices here. 19 different undergraduate programs. You'll find the traditional branches like mechanical and civil for sure, but look closely. They have a real focus on new age specializations. Programs like artificial intelligence and data science, cybersecurity, and robotics and automation. This shows the college is really thinking about the jobs of the future.
And to give you a sense of the scale, the total approved intake for these UG programs is 1,560. So yeah, you'll be joining a large and pretty diverse batch of students every year.
Okay, now for the part that matters to absolutely everyone, placements. What's the return on investment after 4 years of hard work? Let's talk career outcomes. Let's cut right to the chase, shall we? The number everyone wants to know. The median salary reported for the 2025 graduating batch is 4.25 lakhs per annum. That's a key number to keep in mind, as it gives you a real idea of the financial start you can expect.
And you know, this isn't just a one-time thing. If you look at the data, you can see a clear, steady growth in median salaries over the past few years. That consistent upward trend is a very, very positive sign for any student joining now.
So how many students actually get a job? Well, looking at the most recent data available, the placement rate was an impressive 95.6%. That means out of 795 graduating students, 760 were placed. You also see a small group chose to pursue higher studies, which tells you the academic foundation here is pretty strong.
So the academics are solid, and the placements look promising. But what's it actually like to be a student there day to day? Let's take a quick look at the campus itself.
Let's cover the practicals. The campus is spread across more than 15 acres. Yes, there are separate hostels for boys and girls. And for day scholars, the transport network is massive. 56 different bus routes covering 4 whole districts. Plus, its location, right on National Highway 44, makes it really easy to get to. And finally, let's bring it all together and talk about the opportunities that make the student experience here truly unique. Remember that ISRO station we started with? Well, that's just the beginning.
The college also published 37 patents in a single year. There's an industry-linked robotics hub, an international partnership with a university in South Korea, and active NSS and NCC units. All these things add up to a really well-rounded, future-focused education.
Just so you know, all the information we've presented in this explainer is based on data sourced directly from the college's official website and government portals, and it was all compiled and verified in March of 2026.
Explore more engineering colleges at profsam.com, your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.